Hello and welcome to card making using die cuts with texture and dimension. In this class I'm going to show you some of my favorite ways to just give your die cuts a little extra wow factor, to give them a little extra texture and a little extra sparkle. It's going to create some beautiful, beautiful cards. Let's go take a look at some of the cards we're going to create in this class. So these are the 3 cards that we're creating in this class. They're all holiday cards because those are my favorite cards to use with these techniques. But you're definitely not limited to that. You could create a wedding card, a birthday card, or whatever, and just change it up to suit the occasion. In this class, we're going to be creating these 3 cards, and I'm going to show you my different favorite ways to change and alter different die cuts to just give them a little bit more interest, to give them a little bit more dimension, make them sparkle, a little bit different texture. And by doing that, when we go to layer our cards, we're going to have a lot of natural dimension as we layer those die cuts. So this class comes with a supply list. It'll have pictures of each of the sample cards, plus the supplies that are used to create each one of those cards. Those supplies are linked to where you can purchase them and have them delivered right to your door if you choose. But like I said, you're not limited to holiday cards. You can use the techniques that you're going to learn in this class on any die cut to give it some extra sparkle, extra dimension, extra different texture, and use them for cards for many different occasions. Now let's go start creating some cards.